So, another glorious afternoon on the Migavets Plateau. There's not a cloud in the sky apart from a few contrails from various planes. And I'm continuing this kind of audio diary. So as you can see, this is all my stuff, all my caving gear, just all sitting out here in the sun. So I came back from a trip at about 4:30 in the morning. It's quite a long trip. We did start quite late, but still was like 15 hours or something. We had some food at the cafe, took some photos, put some bolts in, did some rigging, did some surveying, did a little bit of pushing, but not masses. But mainly what I was going to show you is just what we do on like basically a day off. So today I've eaten a lot of food, drunk a lot of tea, and as well as drying out all of my gear, I've been fixing my gear. And so the thing I've just been doing is sewing up my oversuit. So it's in the shadow, there's too much contrast. So there is a rather jagged looking repair, which is on my left knee, I guess. The nice thing about these meander oversuits, well, a negative aspect is they're so poorly fitted, they're just massive sort of baggy suits, but it means that you can sort of pinch in quite a lot of the material before they get too tight. And to sew this up, I've been using this thing called a sewing awl, and so this is really nice to use because the fabric's very thick, and if you use even normal leather needles, it's quite difficult to force them through the sort of the dusty and the mudness of it. Whereas with this thing, you have a nice sort of solid handle to hold on to, and you just stab through 2 layers of the material and then pass the thread through to form a perfect lock stitch. And other than that, my bootlaces in one shoe snapped yesterday, and so they've been sort of an improvised fix on the way out the cave. I should probably go and find some new string to retie those. I smashed up a lighter, which I probably need a replacement for, so I can face off the rope. Also, one thing that's I guess a bit unusual is this is a pair of standard wraparound safety specs, which I use when I'm bolting, and I used to just sort of squint at the rock when I was hitting it and sort of hope I didn't get any bits in my eyes, but I decided that actually just taking sort of a 50-gram pair of safety specs is a much better idea underground. There's my photo gear, my flash unit, and that yellow thing is the pelly case that this camera usually sits in when it's underground. It has a bit chopped up clean washing up sponge, which sort of stops it from rattling in its case, and also means I can use it to clean off the water and the mud on the outside of my not waterproof camera that I use underground. Other than that, socks, general caving gear. Oh, I broke my harness as well. It's over here now because I borrowed one. Just exploded with a bang on the way out the cave. And a previous stitching on expedition, probably 4 years ago or something, just failed and it opened. So I improvised something on the way out, but now I've just got a borrowed one. And that's basically what I've been doing today. So hopefully caving again tomorrow morning. So bye bye for now.